Shopping Hyundai Palisade? Compare it with Ford Explorer, America's all-time best-selling SUV. It has intelligent four-wheel drive with terrain management system. That's 7 modes to help handle virtually any kind of terrain. Explorer offers more second-row headroom and a powerful seat in the 3rd row. Palisade doesn't have either one. Explorer has more horsepower and torque than Palisade. It comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360. That's 5 driver assist technologies. Again, all standard. Active Park Assist 2.0 takes the challenge out of parking with just the touch of a button. Palisade doesn't have it. Ford Explorer, the greatest exploration vehicle of all time.